eco-wimps, welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Here are the following items you would need to complete this DIY. Except the cardboard box and the flowers. There's spray can paint that's silver. Write that as well. Pause the video. Let's get started. Right here you see 4 candle holders that I purchased from the Dollar Tree store, and they are porcelain. So I flipped them over and spray painted them silver so I can have a better look because I didn't want the white to show. You see a glass vase that I put on top to see how it would look. You see my glue gun on the side for actually gluing it down later, but I'm going to use Fix-All and Crazy Glue. Here you see me actually showing you some acrylic gems that I want to put around the vase so you could hide the seam of it. Here's the Fix-All that I'm going to be placing underneath the glass, and I'm going to show you how it looks. But first, let's get rid of this tacky sticker. I want to take this off. You can take it off with water, but you see how it looks inside? Yeah, we want to get rid of that. We don't want that to show. No. So once you get that off, then you could go ahead and reposition the glass back on and see how it looks. So that's what I'm going to show you. See? So I took it off to the best of my ability, and here I have a smaller vase, and here I have some crazy glue. I'm going to put the crazy glue on the inside of the circle of the first candle holder, and then I'm going to put the Fix-All around the actual base where the actual other candle holder is, the glass one, is going to sit on top and anchor it down. So while I'm doing that, which I'm showing you now that I'm doing, I'm actually squeezing it out so you guys can see this because it doesn't dry super fast, but the crazy glue does, so it works together. So I'm gonna go back over it again with the crazy glue on the inside of the Fix-All just to reassure that this joker does not come loose when I, lift it up. So now that I'm doing that, now I'm going to put the glass on and press down and hold for a few seconds. I'm going to actually get my glue gun, which is over there on the side, and I'm going to actually, while I'm pressing this down, I'm going to try to glue the seams between the first candle holder at the bottom and the top candle holder, which is the glass one, and that's what you see me doing here with the glue gun. So make sure you have lots of glue sticks on hand for this project because you want to go around this seam about 3 to 4 times, and this is what you have. So since the glue gun glue is holding it together while the other stuff occur, this is supposed to happen. Nothing is supposed to fall off. That glue gun glue is supposed to hold it in place. So overnight it's going to actually hold. So while that's taking place, here you see me sitting on the floor, and what I'm trying to do is show you guys how I'm applying the gems, the acrylic gems, to the seam or the crease between both candle holders to decorate it, to kind of camouflage it and make it a little blingy so it's cute. So this is what you see me doing here. So take a look as we go through this slow motion. I should have speeded up, but you know, yeah, that part. Well, thank you guys for hanging in there and watching this entire video clip. But yeah, next time I know to speed that up because that was a little long, a little lengthy. But here you see me actually showing the first layer row of acrylic gems that are going around. I don't think I showed you, but I'm going to apply like another roll or two to, you know, fill up the glass halfway. So that's what you see me doing here. I just wanted to go back over so you guys could see what I was doing, have a better look at it. But here you see me actually applying I did apply a second roll of gem. I spaced them out, you know, just to give it a little pizzazz. But you know, it's however you want to have it decorated. But I'm going to put like some more in between to fill in the empty spaces, and then I'm going to put a third roll up there and make it look a little bit better. But yeah, do you get the idea? Yeah, see? All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and proceed on so you can see what it looks like. And voila, check it out. Yeah, the girl is back. Get it, Rico, get it, Rico. Okay, so you see how it looks. I put it on the floor. There's like 4 of them. You can create as many of these candle holders as you would like, but I did 4 because I want to put it next to my electrical floor fireplace. Woo! Okay, enough of all that. But you know, you get the idea, But I'm going to show you what it looks like with it lit up. Look at how they look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I had to catch my breath on that. Yes, I'm loving it. Look at that. Well, I don't know about you, but I like it. It's suitable for my bedroom, and I am done with it. So I'm Miko Williams. Thank you for watching my video. Please click like. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment below. If you have any suggestions, put it below. And if you did the same thing and got inspired by my video, put it in the comment and let me see. Tag me to your project. I'm Miko Williams, and thank you for watching.